Welcome back to Local Garden Queens. We're going to do another turn of the compost today. It's end of January, middle of winter. Not too cold for this time of the year. Let's take a look at the compost thermometer. Check the temperature here. This is the outside temp right now. And it is about mid-40s. As you can see, I have a tarp and some stones holding it down. So let me remove the tarp and we'll take a measure of the compost temperature. I'm going to stick in the thermometer right in the middle. All right. So it feels kind of pressed. It was hard to pull out. I'm assuming it must be not too much oxygen in there for the process, for the anaerobic process to continue. And as you can see, the temperatures are not too warm. It's mild, but not nowhere near as it was. One of the things I like is, so you can see some sprouts coming up, which is good, because whatever seeds I don't want, I'm hoping they will all try to sprout in a warm environment, and then by the time the compost is ready, I will have no weed seeds. So the plan is the compost is going to be turned today. I'll film when it's halfway turned. I'll throw in some more ingredients, whatever I have left, hopefully, and I can show you the finished product as I complete the turning. And that's it. So let's take a look at the final temperature. It's really not going up too much. I say in the mid to upper 60s. It's warm. It's actually mild, but nowhere near hot. So let's start the turning. Half the compost has been turned. It's over in this location now. So I noticed as I was turning, it was a little too wet. I guess the tarp that I had on top, it wasn't enough. It's a little porous, so I guess too much went through, and which explains the low temperatures. I can't really do too much about that. I'll just leave it as it is. It'll do its thing eventually. You can see on the bottom here is what I had, and this new layer is what I had left over. So it was about 4 to 5 garbage bags of leaves, dried leaves, and about 6 or 7 bags of used coffee grounds. Full turn of the compost is complete. This was the original location. Here's the new location. You can see the new layer here right in the middle of the dried leaves and the coffee grounds mixed. Let me show you what it looks like. You can still see some whole leaves intact, some twigs, but it's getting there. It's starting to mix in. Things are darker as I was turning. It definitely looks different than it did originally. So it's doing its job. I'm just gonna cover it up with a tarp, put some weights to hold the tarp down, and just leave it alone. It's been about 2 weeks since I last turned the compost. I'm gonna check the temperature inside. Let me take off the tarp, and then we'll see what it is. It's actually a fairly mild midwinter day here. Temperature is in the mid-50s. It feels very nice for this time of the year. We've been getting a lot of rain, and this is really the only break today. We're gonna get some more rain in the forecast, and then it's gonna feel like winter. It's supposed to be in the low 30s for the high temperatures, if that. So in the meantime, let me check. The pile feels much softer than last time I checked it. And as you can see, temperature is going up. All right, there it is. Compost is active. The ingredients are working. It was a bit of a refresh, I guess, with the new ingredients in here. Not too hot, like when I initially put it together, but this is very good temperature. I'm very happy with this. So it looks like it's in the close to 130, maybe one upper 20s or so. And that's it. That's the turn. The compost is going to sit for probably 2 months or so until I come back in April, possibly May. We'll see what happens, and turn it one more time for the summer. So as always, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Local Garden Queens. I'll see you guys next time.